Alright guys, in this tutorial we will talk about booleans. So in real life we all use switches, as you can see in the picture on the right. Our on off switch, what is it? It's either true, which means the light is on, or it's false, which means the light is off. Now let's talk about binary numbers. If you're a computer student, or even if you're not, then you should know that the computer works in binary numbers. Everything behind the hood is translated into ones and zeros. So basically, it's either 1 or either 0. The Boolean is kind of a data type that takes either 1 or 0 or true or false. Let's see how we can use it in our JavaScript. So I'm heading towards the console, and I'm declaring a variable with the name of bool, which is equal to, let's say, true, right? And now I am consoling the variable in the console. Let's print it. As you can see, it's giving me true. So that is it for this tutorial, guys.